We found a bad cap, nothing special about that. But when I plug the disconnect in, only the fan comes on. So that compressor is overheated. I don't see a water spigot anywhere near this thing. So we're gonna do something a little different. Yeah, I can do it like that. If I can get this cooled off with one bucket, this is a great idea. If it takes more than one, then I'd probably be better off just grabbing 2 hoses. But what are you gonna do? It's going awful fast. I think it's gonna take more than one bucket. But this thing is cool, man. This is not how I wanted to debut this pump, but it is pretty cool, and this is another use for it. That went really fast, but let's see. Yes, sir. Harbor Freight was running a special. If you bought a tool, you got a free battery. So I got that set up for $100, which is like half of what a Milwaukee one would have cost me. And we're just talking about clearing out secondary drain pans here. Nasty, rusty water. Do I really care if it's a Harbor Freight tool and gets messed up? No, I don't. But I'm pumped on it. I'm loving it. Bauer power, I'm on it. Robbing some power from our unit over here to pull the charge out of this one. There's that guy. Got my handy dandy motor toter here. We're gonna come in from the top. And lift this sucker right on out. Oh man. Yeah. This thing was a pain in the butt. I assume just vapor from the oil that's left in this accumulator was blowing out my torch, so I cut it with the Sawzall. And because we're putting a new one in, so any flakes that fell down in here is not going to be in the system. So now that I've got it cut off, I'm gonna remove that fitting. See if that fits. Yes, sir. That's gonna work. Everything fits back up. We got it just kind of loosely sitting in there. We're gonna hook up the nitrogen, get these joints brazed. You're just going to adjust your knob here until that guy starts hovering right around 5. And now you're good to go. Got that sucker replaced. And now we got this guy pumped up 300 psi. We're gonna start cleaning up the work area. By the time we're done with that, we should be able to release it and start our vacuum. Looking good. God, this is taking forever. Charged up, 12 pounds later. This is where we're sitting at. We just gotta let it run for a couple minutes. We'll check our subcooling and we should be good to go. We got us another one. Callback. Somebody changed the blower motor yesterday. Customer called in this morning saying that it's still not working. Let's get over there and see what we can find. Okay, here's what we got. Zone board. Not showing that it's getting the call.
You sure about that?
Let's break out the meter, see what we got. Wide of common, 27 volts. G, 28 volts. O, 28 volts. Our second zone here. We don't have anything. Nada. Nada. Oh, you know what the deal is, man? Watch this.